The C-Snake MINIPak is a camera control unit that provides video monitoring and camera control capabilities for all C-Snake camera systems. The MINIPak is the ideal monitoring solution for the C-Snake Compact. It mounts securely to the frame for transport and storage, and can remain on the frame or be easily removed for maximum flexibility during an inspection. The MINIPak can also be used with standard and mini C-Snake cameras when you want a lightweight and highly portable monitoring solution. The MINIPak has a 5-inch color LCD monitor and can operate on AC power using the supplied adapter or on battery power using the optional 18-volt lithium-ion battery. The MINIPak has a video output terminal for connection to an external recording device and a transmitter clip-on terminal that serves as a connection point for a rigid line transmitter. By connecting a transmitter, you can energize the C-Snake push cable with a signal that can be traced out to the camera head using a rigid receiver. In the next few minutes, we'll show you the MINIPak's features and demonstrate how to operate its controls. The MINIPak's small size and light weight makes it easy to transport and gives you maximum flexibility when setting up your work area. The front cover protects the display and can be rotated down and under the unit, allowing the front handle to act as a kickstand to improve your viewing angle. And when a battery is installed, the unit can be tilted back on its angled base for a near vertical viewing angle. The MINIPak can operate on either AC or battery power. To power the MINIPak from an AC source, plug the power cord into an AC outlet and connect the other end to the power jack on the rear of the unit. Please note that the AC cord is for indoor use only and will power the unit but not charge the battery. The MINIPak can also be powered with an 18-volt lithium-ion battery. Batteries and charger are sold separately and can be purchased from your authorized rigid dealer. To install the battery, slide it into the dock until it clicks into position. A fully charged battery will run the MINIPak for up to 5 hours, and the monitor has an on-screen icon that shows the battery's charge status during use. The icon will appear green when the battery is fully charged, red when the battery becomes weak, and blink rapidly about a minute before the battery dies. In addition to the battery dock and power jack, the MINIPak's back panel also includes the C-Snake system connector jack, video output jack, and transmitter clip-on terminal. The C-Snake system cable on the camera reel plugs into the system connector jack. Position the connector so that the guide pin on the connector body lines up with the guide hole on the connector jack. Then push the connector halves together and snug down the locking ring. The operating controls are located on top of the MINIPak housing. The power key turns the system on and off. Press the key once to turn the system on, and press it again to turn the system back off. The sonde key toggles the camera's transmitter beacon, or sonde, on and off. When you press the sonde key, the LED next to the key will light up, and you'll see faint noise lines on the display. These lines are normal and will disappear when you turn the sonde off. The 0 key resets the on-screen distance reading to 0. The 0 key supports 2 types of 0 points, System 0 and Local 0. System 0 is the starting point for all your distance measurements, and you would normally set this at the beginning of your inspection by pressing and holding the 0 key for about 2 seconds. The Local 0 lets you measure the distance between 2 points in the line without losing your total count. To set a Local 0 point, press and release the 0 key. When a Local 0 point has been set, the distance count will appear in brackets. To clear the Local 0 point and return to the system count, press the 0 key again. Please note that the 0 key only works on standard and mini C-Snakes equipped with the Count Plus, and on C-Snake compact cameras that are 0 enabled. The dimmer key adjusts the brightness of the camera's lighting elements. When the first powered on, the lights will be at their maximum brightness. To quickly cycle through the brightness range, press and hold the key. To make finer adjustments, use individual key presses to select your desired brightness. The image flip key rotates the on-screen image 180 degrees. This allows you to view the image right side up if the camera becomes rotated in the line. The MINIPak also has a menu that lets you adjust the monitor's image settings and choose the distance units on CSnake compact cameras that are zero enabled. Refer to your operator's manual for instructions on using this feature. Now that we've taken a look at the MINIPak's features and basic operation, let's take a closer look at connecting a line transmitter to the clip-on terminal. Connecting a rigid line transmitter to the clip-on terminal lets you apply a tracing signal directly to the CSnake push cable, so you can follow its path out to the transmitter beacon, or sonde, which is located inside the spring right behind the camera head. When the sonde is activated, it transmits a signal that can be located with a rigid receiver, so you can pinpoint the camera's position underground. When you're ready to locate the camera head, connect one lead of your rigid transmitter to the ground stake. And connect the other lead to the transmitter clip-on terminal. Activate the camera's sonde. Then turn the line transmitter on and select your desired frequency. We found that 8 kHz and 33 kHz work well in most cases. Turn your receiver on and select a line tracing frequency to match the transmitter. Now you can trace the CSnake push cable just as you would any other buried conductor. Keep an eye on the receiver's signal reading. When the signal reading drops suddenly, you've walked past the camera head. At this point, you can switch to sonde mode and locate the camera's position underground. For detailed information on locating sondes and tracing lines, refer to the operator manuals and training videos included with your rigid locating equipment. In the past few minutes, we've taken a quick tour of the MINIPak's features, capabilities, and operation. We've learned about its power options, seen how to connect it to a CSnake camera, reviewed its operating controls, and demonstrated how to connect a rigid line transmitter so you can trace the CSnake push cable underground. If you haven't already, be sure to read your operator's manual before using the unit. The operator's manual contains additional information that will help you get the most out of your equipment. Also, stay tuned for CSnake tips and tricks, which is included on this DVD. On behalf of everyone at Rigid, thank you for choosing CSnake Diagnostic Tools.